Lost connections to Minecraft Dreams? Don't rage, quit. These solutions will get you back online. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are looking at Minecraft network connection errors, especially when they are trying to join or host streams. These errors can stop you from connecting with friends and are often caused by unstable internet, firewall restrictions, or outdated settings. With a few practical steps, you can restore your connection and get back to enjoy streams without interruptions. Method 1. Verify device compatibility. Not all devices or operating systems support streams. Older systems may be phased out. So review Minecraft's upcoming OS sunset announcements. Confirm your device is still supported for streams play. Method 2. Check online service subscription. Console platforms require active online subscriptions for multiple player access. So verify you have an active subscriptions for Xbox Game Pass Core, Nintendo Switch Online, PlayStation Plus. Renew if expired or wait if there is a platform outage. Method 3. Verify the Dream subscription. The Dream owner must maintain an active subscription for others to join. Go to Manage Dream subscription in Minecraft. Confirm the subscription is active. Method 4. Sign out and restart. Sometimes cached login data or background services cause conflicts. Restarting clears these issues. Follow these steps to do so. Sign out of your Microsoft account in Minecraft. Shut down and restart your game system. Relaunch Minecraft and sign back in. On Windows PC, also sign out of the Microsoft Store, Xbox app, and any other Minecraft services. Then close them before reopening Minecraft. Method 5. Update Minecraft. Dreams only work on the latest supported versions. Outdated builds can block access. Make sure Minecraft is running the latest version available for your platform. You can head to Minecraft Store app, then check for updates. Once updated, launch the game and check. Method 6. Contact the Dream owner. If you are joining someone else's Dream, the issue may be on their end. Ask the owner to confirm their subscription is active. Ensure the Dream is open and not closed. Method 7. Flush DNS and reset the network configuration. The next thing you can do is flush DNS and reset network configuration. This should help if you are experiencing this issue due to network connection errors. Here is how to flush DNS and reset the network configuration. Type CMD in the Windows search bar and right-click on command prompt. Choose the Run as Administrator option. Copy and paste these commands in the elevated command prompt window and hit enter each time. After running all the commands, check if you can play Minecraft without any errors. If not, then change the DNS. Method 8. Change DNS. You can try changing the DNS if the FF process could not fix the Minecraft error. To do so, follow these steps. Type View Network Connection in the Windows search and choose the top option. Right-click on your network connection and expand its properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. Select Use the following IP address. Set the preferred DNS server address as 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server address as 8.8.4.4. Save the changes made by clicking on the OK button. This should fix the problem. Method 9. Disable firewall temporarily. Press Windows plus R, type firewall.cpl and hit enter. Click Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Select Turn on Defender Firewall for both private and public networks. Click OK and restart your PC. Make sure to turn on your firewall protection later as your device is vulnerable to threats when you disable the firewall or antivirus. Method 10. Clear cache. The next thing you can do is clear the cache folder. To do so, choose the Minecraft launcher completely, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type %local app data % and press enter to open the local folder in File Explorer. Locate and open the Microsoft folder, then find and open the Token Broker folder. Delete the cache folder and any associated web cache folders. And that's how you fix Minecraft Dreams connection errors, by checking your internet, adjusting firewall settings, and updating your system. You will eliminate connection issues and get back to building worlds with friends. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more practical fixes, and share your own tips in the comments, because your solution might help another player too. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.